Hello children, how are you? Today, now see here, we are going to continue again with your thermodynamics problems. As last lecture, we have solved the two sums from your thermodynamics. First and second sum we have already finished. We have done it. Okay, so let us continue again from third sum. And the third sum, actually it is written on the blackboard already I have. So let us read it down and then we'll start solving. Fine. Now see here, it is given 2 moles of an ideal gas are expanded isothermally and reversibly from 20 liters to 30 liters at 300 Kelvin. Okay, and we are supposed to calculate the work done. R value is provided to you. R value is 8.314 joule K inverse and mole inverse. Now when you solve any sum, as you know, we are supposed to write down the data first. So let us write down the data collection and then we will calculate what you are supposed to. Okay, now in this sum, what is given to us? Let us start from here. 2 moles of an ideal gas, it is said. So we are supposed to write N is equal to just a minute. N is equal to 2 moles of an ideal gas which is expanded isothermally and reversibly from what to what? From 20 liters to 30 liters. So this 20 liters is corresponding to V1, which is 20 liters, and 30 liters means we are going to write it down as V2. This is 30 liters. Okay, and temperature is also given at 300 Kelvin temperature. So we are writing temperature is equal to 300 Kelvin. Calculate the work done. We are supposed to calculate the work done and R value is given to you. So that I am writing first. R is equal to 8.314 joule K inverse and mole inverse. Okay, and the question is work done. So whenever you calculate the work done, when all the things are given to you, R value, volume 1, volume 2, and everything is provided to you all, at that time we are finding out maximum work done for isothermal and reversible kind of expansion of the gas. Okay, so here we are writing W max is equal to question mark. So we are supposed to go to the formula of W max now. Fine. Now see here, as we all know, the formula for W max is minus 2.303 N R T log to the base 10 V2 by V1. Okay, so that is the formula for finding out the work done maximum. Okay, again repeating, W maximum is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 V2 by V1. Now we are supposed to substitute all the values whatever is given to us here in the problem. Okay, so that is the only thing what you're supposed to do. So let us substitute the values. Just a minute, children. Minus 2.303 N. N is given to you all, which is 2 moles. R is given to you all, that is again 8.314 joules. Okay, and the temperature is given, which is Kelvin. How much it is? 300 Kelvin. And multiply by log to the base 10 of volume 2 by volume V1. Okay, in this formula, this is the thing what you're supposed to keep in mind, V2 by V1, and whenever it is in terms of pressure, it should be P1 by P2. Okay, and because most students are making a mistake while solving, they are writing V1 by V2, so that should not be the condition, that should not be the things, and you should not go wrong. And let us put the values now. V2 is 30 liters and V1 is 20 liters. So V2 30 liters I am writing here as 30. Just a minute, children. Divided by, it should be 20. So I have written 30 divided by 20. 20. I hope it is seen to you all. Okay, let us continue now. Okay, so when you continue, see here what you're supposed to write is minus 2.303 multiply by 2 multiply by 8.314 multiply by 300 again multiply by log to the base 10, and this 0 and this 0 is cancelled. Okay, so what is left? 3 divided by 2, and this 3 divided by 2, we know it is coming out to be 1.5. So directly I am writing here it as 1.5. 3 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2, and it will be 1.5. Okay. Fine. The next step. Now instead of directly going to the log and anti-log, first I am solving it, getting the things first, and then we'll finally see the log and all that. 303 multiply by 2 multiply by 8.314 multiply by 300 multiply by log to the base 10 of 1.5. Now we are supposed to find out the log of 1.5, and the log of 1.5 characteristic, as you know, is 0. Directly log you are supposed to see and write it down here. Characteristic is 0 for 1.5, and log you are supposed to see and write from your log book, and the log for that is 1761. Log of 15 is 1761. So I'm writing here. Okay, so this way I have written the log of 1.5 as 0.1761. Now all are the numbers in front of you all. Now the only thing you're supposed to do is take one corner and you're supposed to solve the sum. So this is the corner what I'm taking over here, and we're supposed to solve the sum. Okay. Now let us solve the sum, and with the help of logbook and all that, of course. So 2.303, 0. As we know, 2303. Answer is for log is 3623. Okay, characteristic is 0 and log answer is 3623. 2 characteristic will be what here? Again it will be 0. And the answer is 3010. After that 8.314, it is again 0.9198. And this is, I think, 0 point. This is not 0 point. The characteristic is 2 point for 300. And the value for log is 4771. And the last one is left, which is the characteristic is 1 bar. And log answer you're supposed to see from, of course, from the log book. And for 1761, it is 2457. 2457. Okay, and all these numbers you are supposed to add it plus, because all addition is there. Okay, so 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 17, 18, 19. This is a 9, carry 1. Again 9 plus 1 is 10, 17, 18, 19, 20, 25. 2, carry again here. After that, this is I think 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 4 18, 18 plus 2 20. After that, again this will be 6, 7, 8, 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I hope 23 is check it. Let us check it. 9 plus 6 will be 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So this is 2 carry. So when you are putting a carry 2 over here, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 3.4. 3059. Okay, and you are supposed to see the antilog for that now, and antilog for that will be 10 raised to 3, and 3059 antilog you are supposed to see, antilog for 3059. Okay, so from your antilog book you can tell me I'm directly telling you all from 3059 the antilog answer is 2022. The answer is 2022 and the point is here. Okay, of course point will be here only, 2.022 into 10 raised to 3. Okay, and when I shift the point, because this is positive 3, so positive side in the sense right hand side, so my answer will be 2022. Okay, so this is 3 point. Okay, so I'm writing here the answer is 2022 and sign will be minus, and the unit is joules, because when you write joule K inverse mole inverse, K and K is cancelled from temperature and moles are also cancelled from the number of moles. Yani ki mole is cancelled, K is cancelled because it is in numerator and denominator, so only joules is left. So my answer is 2022 joules, and this joules you can convert into kilojoules by multiplying into 10 raised to minus 3. So when I multiply it by 10 raised to minus 3, my answer will be getting converted from joules to kilojoules. So my answer is now negative side. You are supposed to shift the point. Already the point is here. So 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be minus 2.022 kilojoules. So I got an answer for W max, that is minus 2.022 kilojoules. So this is the final answer for the work done, what we are supposed to calculate in this sum. And this is one of the very important sum which is coming in your exams. It may come if it is coming for 3 marks, like sometimes you can't say, they may give also for 2 marks, but still mostly it is coming for 3 marks. So please try to solve this. I'm marking this as important. Very simple. The only thing what you're supposed to keep in mind in this sum is year. When you get the number, immediately you start taking the log and all that. So there you are making the mistake. You don't have to make a hurry at all. You have to first see year, log, you have to get it divided, and then afterwards you're supposed to see the log first only for 1.5, and whatever answer you are getting here for log 1.5, that you're supposed to write, and after writing, now all the numbers comes in the line, and then you're supposed to see the log for that. Yani ki ye jo 1.5 what we have written, that log we are going to see 2 times. Yani ki 1.5 ka bhi log you're supposed to see, and whatever answer you are getting as 0.1761, again you're supposed to see simultaneously with all the numbers. So that is the thing what you're supposed to keep in mind over here in this sum. Baki, the sum is clear, I think, to everybody, and you'll just take it down in your notebooks as it is given over here, and this sum is finished over here. We'll go to the next sum, 4th sum. So let us continue with the 4th sum.